What? Look at that.
Look. And it says black butter.
What are you doing?
Just catching this.
Oh.
Ready? Oh.
Oh.
I can do this all day long.
Can you? Whoa. Well, if you want to know what those little things are from, those are from when we surprised Hailey for her birthday, which was yesterday. Guys, we haven't been picking up the camera that much. We've been kind of busy around here and trying to get into a routine. So let's flash back to yesterday when it was Hailey's actual birthday and not just happy birthday party. It was her happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Haha.
Come on out. Come in here. Happy birthday! Whoa!
That actually had a lot.
Yeah, it did. And so that means that if yesterday was the 4th, that means that today is the 5th. Which when you're watching this, it's the 6th. It's so confusing. But that means that today was the 5th. So we drew a winner for the Nintendo Back to School giveaway!
So we want to say a big thanks to for winning the giveaway.
Alright, so you ready to see? Do you think you won? I hope you won. If you're watching this, I hope you won. Alright, let's reveal the winner now. Alright guys, it is time to draw a winner for the Nintendo Back to School giveaway. We are super excited to give to one of you a new Nintendo 2DS XL, 2 games, Hey Pikmin and Miitopia, and then the Nintendo backpack. We would like to say a big thank you to Nintendo for providing these products for this giveaway. You guys are awesome. We really do enjoy working with you, and we look forward to continuing to work with you. So it's time to, well, pick a winner, so let's do that. Alright, get this ready. Draw winners. Okay. And the winner is... So the winner is Amy. Amy S. I believe you're in North Carolina. Congratulations, you won! Thank you so much to everyone who entered. We're sorry not all of you could win. There could only be one winner, but you're all winners in our books. Chas is at Hailey's school tonight. She's actually walking her schedule, going class to class. And then she will go to Macy's school tomorrow.
Yep.
So man, I don't know about you guys. We don't know how busy you are. But man, we've been super busy with sports, and Hailey had a scrimmage, and alright, so it is no longer August, so it's time to reveal. Bye!
Goodbye, Voldemort! Oh, Neville Longbottom, the hero.
You hero, you.
There's a sword. There's, oh, I never noticed what Neville's wand looks like.
Oh, there's his wand.
Let's see. Spoilers. If you don't want spoilers.
Oh, boo.
October's evil.
Ew,
I'm okay with her,
November.
but she's the worst villain. Even
Look at
over
her wand.
Voldemort,
Look
she's
at her
the worst.
wand. Look at that.
She's the worst villain, even over Voldemort.
I don't know
I
about
hate
that.
her.
Wow, strong words.
She's
I don't like her.
okay.
No way, I don't like her.
Oh.
Yay!
And
Oh. Good for you, Neville.
good for you, Neville. I wonder what's, there could be a little pet shop.
A little pet shop. Oh.
So here's my PS10. Here's my mascot.
That's
I
you?
have my mascot. You know.
That's your mascot?
You know
That's
that?
you, Macy.
Yes.
That's you.
And we'd like to see you. This
So that's
doesn't
me?
like Voldemort.
That's me?
Uh-huh.
Cool, man.
Although Voldemort has a strange nose.
How's that porg?
I'm taking good care of it.
Yeah, it looks like it. He's over there snoozing. Snoozing!
Snoozing. You got a big frozen. snoozing. You gotta be cruising. Come on. Come on.
What is wrong with you? Are you tired? Are you ready to go now?
Am I tired?
Are you tired?
That's the question you should ask yourself.
Whoa, easy.
Oh, I found my unicorn headband.
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
So we found it. She was looking for that for the first day of school.
Oh no!
Oh no is right. That's enough. That's enough of oh no's.
Oh look, here's a flower I can use for LPS.
Oh, isn't that awesome? All right.
There we go.
So how's the second week of school? Oh my goodness.
How dare you mess with LPS territory.
Well, I'm sorry guys. Just an earthquake. No big deal.
Hashtag evil G.
Oh no.
Put it in the comments.
That is awful. I'm so sorry, everyone.
You ruined the muffins Hailey cooked. And if you don't know already, this is Hailey.
Oh no, guys. I'm so sorry.
Mad at you.
I'm sorry for the earthquake.
You coughed in there?
I really have to watch where I step in her room. Oh, what you eating? Oh,
It's a lemon chill.
A lemon chill. That's cool. I didn't know they had those in the stove.
It's like a 4-pack.
Nice.
And you can also get like the big one.
Very cool. All right, Hailey, do you want to show us what you got in the mail?
Yes. This one?
Yes.
Ooh, I haven't seen it like at all. That is so cool.
Look at that nice mailer.
I know, man.
I'm all about the mailers.
Okay. Now, where did she get this at?
Yep. So exciting.
Unicorn poop.
What?
Oh.
This is her name. So this is an Instagram.
Yes, Instagram, a famous Instagram
Slime maker. And this is her name. Glitter.Slimes. Okay.
Okay, there's a slime care sheet. And then like a thank you card.
Cool.
And then it has like a code on there for next time, like 10% off. Ooh, the borax packet. Oh, that's yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And then a little sticky arm. That's cool.
Oh, sticky arm.
Okay. That's her X-ray. There it is. Oh. Okay. We're just gonna do this.
I see the color here. Don't say anything. What? Look at that.
Look. And it says black butter.
Black.
And then glitter
butter.
slimes. And then it has even a wrap on it.
Ooh, fancy.
So I like that about it. Hopefully it doesn't need to be activated, but.
Oh.
I think it does.
That looks like tar.
Ooh.
Ooh, I don't know. Does it have a scent?
Yeah, she adds scents to each one. It kind of smells like marshmallows. She adds a scent to every single one.
Yeah, coconut. I smell like coconut.
Oh yeah, coconut.
Look at that.
Ooh.
That is awesome. Oh, it's like the mask that you wear.
I know, yeah. Okay, here it is. Okay. Okay. Here it is. Ooh. I think she used Dazo clay. I'm not sure though. Ooh. Look at that.
That's amazing. Oh, it looks like poop.
I cannot do that. How do you get it
I don't know.
But it this one goes so quick.
Yeah, that one is fast, isn't it? There's a knot. Hey, instead of a swirl, we'll make a knot. Whoa, look at that. That is awesome. What does that smell like?
She always adds some. Don't hold it on, Mom.
Did you just touch it?
Oh, it smells a little bit like
Oh, you got tar on you.
cotton candy.
How
Yeah, it is sticky.
how about coconut? Do you smell coconut?
Yes, that's coconut. That's definitely coconut. Yeah.
How was Hailey's school? Did you get lost?
I didn't.
Oh.
Did you ask for help?
I didn't.
Oh my god.
Because at my level, eye level, there were numbers, like a hotel numbers up there.
And it wasn't as crowded, Mom.
But it was so tricky. It was very tricky.